Here at Richardson's, we're really looking forward to welcoming you aboard for your holiday. This series of videos is designed to help you enjoy boating on the Broads safely. Before you start your trip, we'd like to take you through some of our guidance in case any member of your party falls into the water during your trip. Swimming in the waterways of the Broads is not recommended unless you're taking part in an organised event. Always wear your life jacket and shoes with a good grip when stepping on and off a mooring. It is easier than you think to fall into the water when moving around the cruiser. If you do fall in, your life jacket will help you float, so try to relax. The temperature of the water may cause cold water shock, which can make it difficult to swim or breathe normally at first. Float on your back and give your body time to adjust before trying to swim or get out of the water. If you are trying to rescue someone from a cruiser, never reverse towards them. Come to a halt and lower your mud weight, then turn your engine off. Use a throw line or ring to pull someone in the water to the riverbank or boat ladder. Avoid the temptation to enter the water to rescue a pet. This often leads to the rescuer getting into difficulties. Most dogs can swim, so encourage them towards the riverbank. If that's not possible, get the boat as close to the animal as is safe without reversing towards it. Then turn the engine off and use the rear of the boat to complete the rescue. In the event of an emergency, call 999. You will need to provide your precise location. You'll find your location details on signs at Broads Authority moorings, or the Away app can help you identify where you are. If you have any concerns at any time during your holiday, you can call us for advice and assistance on the number in your captain's manual.